Hello everyone, this is Ammu here. A warm welcome to all of you. The other day I was chatting with my friend and I was sharing with her that how because of the lockdown I'm unable to go off my walks and how I intend to start doing yoga from home. That's when she asked me that, by the way, how much do you weigh now? So I said I must be around 85 kg. So she said, oh, 85 kg. That means a 15 kg more would make you weigh like a baby elephant. Are you intending to become one? For the next 5 minutes, I was silent. Now, if you ask me if that offended me, I'd say no, because this wasn't the first time that I heard such nasty remarks. Because of my weight, I've always been called names like Tarzan, Lady Undertaker, Pehelwan, and the best one is Bear, which means bull. Let me tell you that these kind of remarks don't matter much to me. But imagine telling someone who has a low self esteem, who's undergoing depression, who's battling insecurities, what impact would it have? Do we even realize? How do we greet people nowadays? We no longer say hi, hello. The minute we see someone, we say, oh, you've lost so much weight. Which diet have you been following? Oh my god, you've put on so much, you're looking terrible. That's how we greet. We think it's normal. We've normalized looking down on our fellow brothers and sisters based on their height, weight, color, race, and even language. In our country, the parameter to judge beauty is fairness, and the parameter to judge intelligence is English. How often we make fun of people who are non-native speakers? Do we even realize? On one hand, we support hashtag Black Lives Matter. But we forget to look in our own backyards. India is obsessed with fair skin and size zero. Everywhere that you see, there are promotions of fairness. Even our Bollywood industry. Have you heard? गोरे गोरे मुखड़े पे काला काला चश्मा, गोरी है कलाइया तो ला दे मुझे हरी हरी चूड़िया. We have huge billboards promoting fairness. But let me tell you that fair is not lovely. Fair skin is fair skin and dark skin is dark skin, and both are lovely. We compare ourselves to these size zero models and feel miserable about ourselves. We start hating ourselves. Self-hatred is a billion-dollar industry. For decades, women have been taught to feel ashamed of their bodies. We constantly worry about thinning our thighs and smoothing our wrinkles, rather than focusing on the work that has to be done. Our time gets tied up. No wonder women take hours to get ready. The color of our skin is based on genetics or where we live. The closer we are to the equator, our skin produces melanin to protect us from the sun. The color of our skin is to protect us, not to create differences or to feel superior. Black is not a crime and fair is not a prize. Let's unlearn all the wrong that we have absorbed for all the wrong reasons. Whether we feel fair is superior because the British ruled us or the glossy magazine fooled us. Let's stop putting pressure on others because of our narrow-mindedness. Let's teach our children that they are beautiful the way they are. Let's teach our girls that their appearance don't determine their worth. Let's be better human beings. Let's make inclusion our motto. Let's stop this body shaming. Do share this with your friends and let there be learning and let there be life. That's all from me. This is Ammu saying bye and wishing you all love and peace.